The iPhone 15 Pro Max will have the thinnest bezels of any smartphone, beating the record currently held by the Xiaomi 13. That's according to the leaker known as Ice Universe, who has divulged accurate information about Apple's plans in the past. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. Both iPhone 15 Pro models are expected to have thinner, curved bezels compared to the iPhone 14 Pro, potentially resulting in an Apple Watch-like appearance, but if the leaker is correct, the larger 6.7-inch model will have the most minimal of bezels. According to a tweet by Ice Universe, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to surpass Xiaomi 13's record of 1.81mm bezels by featuring a black bezel width of only 1.55mm. In comparison, Ice Universe also provided the bezel measurements for the iPhone 14 Pro, 2.17mm, and the Samsung Galaxy Ultra S23, 1.95mm. Ice Universe's statement about the iPhone 15 Pro Max beating Xiaomi 13's record of thin bezels is unclear, as it's not clear whether they were referring to the chin or the actual bezel width. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is still expected to have thinner bezels than the Xiaomi 13. The iPhone 15 models are rumored to have slightly curved bezels like the iPhone 11, and the standard iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are likely to have similar bezel widths to the iPhone 14 models. The display sizes of the iPhone 15 models are also expected to remain the same as last year's models. The iPhone 15 Pro models may have an appearance similar to the Apple Watch Series 7 and Series 8, thanks to even thinner bezels around the display. Additionally, there are rumors that the Pro models will come with a titanium frame instead of stainless steel, and feature solid-state volume, mute, and power buttons that don't physically move when pressed. Ice Universe has previously shared CAD renders and dimensions that also suggest the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be unique in featuring a thinner camera bump and smaller footprint. Apple is expected to announce its next iPhone lineup in September as usual. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.